Ever wonder what would happen if you took a 2-week vacation, completely unplugged from your marketing operations? Would your campaigns continue to convert, your content pipeline flow smoothly, and your client relationships thrive? Or would everything grind to a halt, waiting for you to return and put out all the fires? If the thought of stepping away from your marketing responsibilities gives you anxiety, it means you're likely the bottleneck. You're the human hard drive holding all the critical campaign knowledge, the only one who knows the exact steps for a successful ad launch or the secret to that high-performing email sequence. This reliance on a single individual, no matter how brilliant, is not scalable for any marketing team aiming for sustained growth. Today, we're addressing this challenge head-on. We're going to explore the fundamental element that distinguishes chaotic marketing efforts from highly efficient, scalable operations: the marketing playbook. This isn't just about documentation. It's about empowering your team and future-proofing your marketing success. Some call them SOPs, or standard operating procedures. But for marketing professionals, think of these as your team's strategic cheat codes. A marketing playbook is a set of simple, clear instructions that allows your marketing processes to run seamlessly, even when you're not directly involved. It's designed to ensure consistency, reduce errors, and free up your valuable time for strategic thinking and innovation. So how do you create a marketing playbook that actually works without getting lost in a sea of overwhelming documents? It comes down to a few simple, actionable secrets. The biggest mistake marketing teams make is trying to document every single process at once. This leads to overwhelm and often abandonment. Don't fall into that trap. Your first SOP isn't a comprehensive manual, it's a targeted recipe. Instead, identify the single biggest point of pain or inefficiency in your marketing operations right now. What's the one task you constantly have to explain? What marketing process consistently leads to mistakes or delays? Or what's the most time-consuming task to onboard a new team member into? That's your starting point. Consider a marketing agency struggling with inconsistent social media post approvals, leading to missed deadlines. Instead of documenting their entire content strategy, they started with one clear SOP for social media content approval. Mistakes dropped significantly, and content went live on time. This illustrates the power of starting small and targeting a specific pain point. This is how you avoid creating confusing, jargon-filled documents that no one on your marketing team will read. Your playbook should be so clear that a new intern with zero prior experience could follow it. Just answer these 3 essential questions for each process. 1. Why? Start with a simple purpose statement. Why does this marketing task matter? Instead of just saying, post to Instagram, you might state, our goal is to connect with our audience, drive engagement, and generate 10 new email signups per post. This gives the task meaning and aligns it with broader marketing objectives. 2. Who? Clearly define who is responsible for this task within the marketing team. And crucially, who do they go to if they have a question or encounter an issue? This eliminates the common "I thought someone else was doing it" problem, ensuring accountability for campaign execution and content delivery. 3. How? This is the step-by-step guide. Use short, concise sentences. Incorporate checklists, screenshots, or even quick screen reportings for visual learners. Write it as if you're explaining it to a colleague. Instead of process the lead, write Step 1, open the new lead spreadsheet. Step 2, verify lead source. Step 3, assign to sales team in CRM. Simple, actionable, and easy to follow. An SOP is not a set-it-and-forget-it document. A marketing playbook you wrote last year is likely already outdated. Your marketing strategies evolve, new platforms emerge, algorithms change, and you discover more efficient ways of working. Think of your playbook as a living document, not a static stone. It needs regular attention to grow and remain relevant. Schedule a quick review every quarter. More importantly, cultivate a culture where your marketing team feels empowered to suggest improvements. When someone discovers a faster, smarter way to set up an ad campaign or optimize a landing page, you don't get defensive. You get excited. You say, "That's brilliant. Let's update the playbook." This approach bakes continuous improvement directly into your marketing team's DNA. The goal isn't to turn your marketing team into mindless drones who just follow instructions. The goal is to create clarity and consistency, which actually frees them up to be more creative, innovate new campaigns, and solve bigger strategic problems. Consider a symphony orchestra. The playbook is the sheet music. It ensures that everyone is playing the same song in the right key at the right tempo. It doesn't stifle the musician's talent. It channels it into something beautiful and harmonious. Without the sheet music, you just have chaos. When you introduce your playbook, don't just email a document, explain the why. Show your team how it makes their job easier, reduces stress, and makes the entire marketing operation stronger. Get them involved in building and improving it. Here's your challenge for this week. Not to write a 50-page manual, just one page. Pick that one nagging, repetitive, or painful marketing task. Open a blank document and answer the 3 magic questions. Why does this matter? Who is doing it? And how, step by step, do they get it done? That's your first play, your first step to building a marketing operation that can run efficiently even when you're not there. Take action now. Share in the comments what specific marketing task you're going to document first. If this training provided clarity, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on scaling your marketing efforts. Let's get your time back and empower your team.